Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. So if you're also interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayon, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. So, let's see, Leo, what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks? Okay, let's see. Safe home. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you are going back home. Kung kayo ay nag-abroad, maaring in the next 2 weeks, may plans kayo of going back, no? Lalo na malapit na yung holiday season. Yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong mga gagawing upgrade sa bahay ninyo to make you feel safe, to make you feel protected. Ayan. Pwedeng mag-a-add kayo ng mga locks or ng gate, add kayo ng CCTV or anything that you will feel safe and protected at home. Okay. True love come to me. Some of you are also manifesting relationships, partnerships, romantic connections. So, maaring in the next 2 weeks, if you're single, maaring you are going to attract the love of your life. Ayan. If you are in a relationship naman, pwedeng kayo ng person mo ay kung boyfriend, girlfriend, ganyan, pwedeng kayo magsasama na, no? Living in together or magpapakasal na kayo. So, you are taking your relationship to the next level of commitment. Okay, let's see what else. Harmony. So, this is balance in your life. Maayos yung kalagayan ninyo in the next 2 weeks. Kumbaga, chill lang para sa iba. Kung ano yung need mo, kailangan mong gawin, asikasuhin, magagawa mo. Yung needs mo will be provided para sa iyo as well. So, kung dati, mga nakaraang linggo, medyo busy ka, in the next 2 weeks, you will have more time para sa sarili mo. Because you are finally finding balance in your life. Okay, so let's see what else, Leo. In the next 2 weeks, for Leo. Oh, diba? 9 of Pentacles. This is financial security, financial stability. Maaring you will buy some things na will upgrade your wardrobe. Yung tipong bibili ka ng mga bagong damit, bagong accessories. You will dress up na mas very presentable, ganyan. Some of you naman, meron kayong na-achieve na goal pagdating sa finances ninyo or sa career ninyo. Kaya feeling good kayo ngayon in the next 2 weeks. You also have the 5 of Cups. So, some of you are walking away or leaving a situation na sa tingin mo is hindi na worth it for you. So, pwedeng if you are in a toxic, complicated relationship, some of you are leaving that, no? Hindi mo hayaan na parang maubos ka muna or madrain ka bago ka aalis. So, you are very parang active ka or vigilant sa mga red flags sa paligid mo. So, yung red flags naman di lang yan sa romantic connection. Pwedeng sa kaibigan yan, no? Sa family or sa mga katrabaho mo. You have the 7 of Pentacles. So, this is waiting for fruition. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga project, trinabaho in the past weeks or months na malapit ng matapos, malapit mo ng makuha yung fruits ng labor mo, yung pinagpaguran mo. You need more patience, no? Kasi in the next 2 weeks, pwedeng kailangan mo pang maghintay. But definitely, it is a guarantee para sa'yo na ano man tong hinihintay mo, makukuha mo yan. You just need more patience, okay? And then you have the Hermit. So, there are times na you feel alone, na parang feeling mo wala kang kakampi, wala kang katuwang sa buhay, maaring ito rin yung time na you need to go out, you need to explore, you need to reassess your situation. Ano ba yung mga bagay na hindi mo ino-open up sa buhay mo? So, pwedeng you are feeling alone or lonely kasi talagang hindi ka rin naglalalabas or hindi ka nagso-socialize. So, this is you reassessing your situation in the next 2 weeks. Kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mo pang ma-experience para sa sarili mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan. Ayan, emptiness. Some of you are feeling empty. But, I think you are moving on. You are moving forward. Meron din dito ending sa new beginnings. So, maaring you are, like what I mentioned kanina, leaving a situation na you feel na it's just draining you and you are now moving to a new direction. Okay? Merong bagong buhay for you. Some of you pwedeng lilipat ng bahay. Oo. Kasi may safe home dito. So, something that will make you feel secure and safe and protected sa tinitirahan mo. Yes, your instinct or your intuition are also going to be very strong. Pagdating sa decision making mo in the next 2 weeks, magiging madali sa'yo na mag-decide kasi alam mo agad, nararamdaman mo agad what's good for you, what's not good for you. Okay? You also have competent or competency. So, maaring pagdating sa kakayanan nyo, sa abilities nyo, whether this is for your career, your business, your job, kumbaga you are someone na tinitingala ng iba kasi alam nila yung kakayanan mo. You are very competent in your career, in your business, in your studies. You are skilled. So, I think mas lalo mo yung pauunlarin, mas lalo mo yung i-improve para sa sarili mo. And this will definitely bring more success sa'yo in the future. Kailangan lang talaga maging consistent ka dyan. Okay? Uy, wow! I love this. Abundance. Abundance is coming to you in the next 2 weeks. Being a thoughtful steward for the money you already have is the secret to creating more abundance. When you trust yourself to handle more, that's when more shows up. Yes. Ito yung kumbaga parang you are telling yourself that you can, kaya mo i-handle yung mga responsibilities, yung mga obligations, and the more na alam mo yung kakayanan mo, the more na ibibigay sa'yo yung dinideserve mo, which is the abundance that you want to flow in your life. And then, wow, ang ganda, may abundance na, may happiness pa. Yes. So, your thinking will either make your happiness or take your happiness, you choose. So, mindset yan, okay? So, pay attention sa mga iniisip mo, sa mga plans mo, kasi yan yung either magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness or magpapalungkot sa'yo. Okay? So, happy thoughts para yun yung inyong ma-manifest or ma-attract. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Good luck.